dragon.
You're a dragon.
I'm an AJ dragon. I'm a Jackson dragon. I'm a Thomas dragon. I'm Thomas dragon. The dragon of Grandma's
Okay,
car.
we're going to go by where all the stuff for the parade is parked. That's Grandpa's friend right there. That
What?
he used to ride bikes with.
Oh.
Look, there's some clowns.
Oh
And some
yeah.
funny cars.
Oh,
Some
yeah.
motorcycles.
There's some police cars. I see a clown out my window on some motorcycles. Look at all that stuff. Look,
Oh, I see some more funny little cars.
oh, where? Oh yeah.
The little tiny ones.
I see little funny ones too. I see the little funny ones. Oh look, blue ones.
Mm-hmm.
Little funny blue ones. Look.